Hi, I'm Misty Soldwish, and I've been successfully selling real estate since 1999. Find out my secrets on how you can do your best with Be Better DSM. The power of my team is that there are so many teams within the team that are working at the same time so that you are able to do your thing and focus solely on clients. There's the marketing team. There's the client services team. That's the inside sales team that sets appointments for our agents. There is the listings team. There's the transactions team. All of these people are invested in focusing on their part of the real estate business so that our outside sales team, you, are able to do a great job fostering relationships with our clients, identifying their perfect home, helping them get their home sold in the time frame and the price that they need, and just doing your thing, selling, earning commissions, making money.